Welcome everybody. This is ZOULOU. I'm your lady Nontyatyambo Tabata. Today I'm bringing you a lady from Kenya. She's very talented. Let's hear from Margaret.
So hi, my name is Margaret Gatere. I come from Kenya, and I am a model, and I'm a fashion designer, and also I do music, and I have two kids.
I hear you are a multi-talented artist. So tell us, Margaret, what kind of artist are you?
About music, I love Afrobeat music, and also I am a good rapper. And also in modeling, I love everything that has African print with some Arabic touch. I love I can work with any print and I can work with any fabric, yeah. Any style, yeah. In modeling, there's no styling. Modeling, you go wild and you go beyond boundaries. We African, we should sell something from Africa.
In your modeling and fashion design career, tell us, what have you achieved so far, Margaret?
So far, what I have achieved in modeling, I have not achieved so much in Kenya, especially because modeling in Kenya is work. But in Doha, I have done so much. I became the first African woman to work to compete in Japanese 2018, and I scooped Miss Congeniality, and I was the first black runner-up. I was so happy, and I'm also the first black woman to do a baya shoot, that is the Islamic wear, and I am so happy also about that. I was in the Vogue Arabia magazine and in Doha, and I have been in a Free Duty magazine in Kenya. Yeah, in fashion design, I have my own cloth line here in Kenya and also in Doha. In music, I do preaching music. You understand what I'm saying? Like, my music is supposed to be preaching to something I want people to know. Yeah. And
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
what's my future? My future is bright, and future is today. So that is what I say. Future is today, and also in fashion, I know I'm going to be a big thing. I always dream of doing New York Fashion Week, LA Fashion Week. I want my cloth line to go all over the world. I want Kenyans and Africa as whole to know, like, black skin is so precious. We are gems, maze. We need to love ourselves the way we are. And in music, I'm getting into music in real. Yeah, and I don't have real good voice, but I have done a cover song, and I really like it because it's a song that the owner of the song really talks about spirituality. Yes, I am not religious, but I'm spiritual. Yeah.
So tell us, how did the COVID-19 affected your life?
First of all, about the COVID thing, I lost my job when I was in Doha, so I have been jobless for like a year now, and trust me, it is crazy for all of us around the world. And also, music career, it can work. You cannot have gigs. You cannot, not like music career, like art hall, the fashion career, the clothesline career, the photo shoots, and what have we. You cannot work in COVID because there is restrictions, and also people have kept everything on hold. So it has been crazy, but we know things are going to be better by the time. Things are going to work out, and also we believe, and we shall push through in fashion, whether there's COVID or not. We will adjust, yeah.
As the black woman, how is the support from your family and also from your community?
So about the support, community and parental support, it's not too in African way as we believe. Um, we don't support our own so much, especially when it comes to fashion modeling and rap game. Like, people will be like, hi, I want you to be a doctor, I want to be a pilot, I want you to be a lawyer. But when it comes to talent, our parents are not so sure. So community supports you when you have money, and when you can finally support them back. But they cannot just support you because you were rapping and want to pay me. You know what I mean? Or you, my mother asked me, let me ask you some genuine question. Do you get paid to pose and to walk? Do you think that is realistic? You know, some things like that. Yeah, it's life.
On this busy schedule of yours, what do you normally do on your free time?
So on my free time, I love singing. I am a loner. I don't go anywhere really, and I love swimming. I love charity work. I do most of charity work. I'm a prayerful woman. Yeah, I love God, and also I sing songs that I really like.
You sound like a creative woman. Can you give us a little something from your good work?
They wanna be me, they wanna be you, they wanna be us, they wanna be them. Show me what you get, show me what you can. Stop being mean, stay in your lane. All I do is work, all I do is hustle, day to the dark, hot to the bustle, the hustle of the black. Dry to the breeze, oh bitch, come down. Minataka, Ebenezer, Wem Lindsay Wangu.
Sometimes it takes a wrong turn to get to the right place. It was really nice to have you on the show, Margaret. Thank you so much. This is ZOULOU. I'm your lady, Nontyatyambo Tabata. I'm out.